because we e kwa mu fa so e di sika no wo Ghana na yetinye mia ya no ama oma ye din NBC for mom aye U10 e kasa. But these are empirical evidence. Now you can check we date biawo.
And it was a cash withdrawal.
And running, yeah, cash withdrawal. And fast running NIB. And Togbe Afede, I don't understand why he's still the board chairman when he supervised this corruption. And my friends from Volta region, there should be no trouble in this. Togbe Afede was there as board chairman. I don't know why the president still maintained him as board chairman.
No, but back to say you define a con.
Who define board chairman? All these monies, 31 million, all cash. It goes, and you don't know anything about it.
Well, he's also a businessman, so
you don't know about
explains it.
I have a lot. One of the crown 15 million. Or no also, or Koji or SIZ something. Omo, SOMO for more inti. A whole lot of things went on. Our NIB. I don't even know the fate of NIB. With the documents I have, I'm sorry, I have to tell Ghanaians. I don't know the fate of NIB. And Togbe Afede is still the chairman. I don't know Nipa Bakusa. Why? Because of tribal. This thing goes against everybody. Every Ghanaian suffers. What do you say? These are documents. Let us go and check. How can such a man also still be maintained as board chairman of NIB? Wow, I got a problem.
But where mainly goes to Agbesi.
Yes, so but Togbe Afede was the board chairman.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know about mine.
Funny enough, in about 22 state page now, you withdrawal. There was no single.
They say the BN everything is withdrawal from 2015 January to 24th December 2015.
Yeah.
1 year no, almost 31 million. 1 year, 31 million from the bank. These are people's deposits. Even the whole world say Ghana is the biggest GDP group.
Yeah.
And so you kasa. But Bonnie and this for they use certain names. I bo bia where's what you're hearing, where's me a suffer, where's me a say. Inti entiminka na o mine a man for who chiro. Ah, what is this? Media Mecca. I don't care how you see it. Once is the truth, I'll tell you. Togbe Afede survives this. Or survives way was the board chairman. The man should be sacked immediately. How can you maintain such a man still as the board chairman for NIB? Wow. Me want documents be. Documents be remember. We can sit there and go for bread and your musica and your kotuho. Na mo nuama fu sa na mo de ye